for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so Mr. And then your first time subscribe and click the notification bell on this so am I Metro send your bell screen so now with this so pepe am I about screen so see Mr. Eba na with this so pepe ama yeah okay na that screen so uya your WhatsApp number at that screen as so person free and person ni yen edin komo ya ka bibina we ni anje ho na person correct yen kra na obetumi afre and obetumi WhatsApp yen ye obetwetwe komo yanko and then some so em say wo baga na sisi a asema trend pa Gregory Afoko na me sure say ebimu enim obi a Gregory Afoko Gregory Afoko the brother of former MPP chairman, national chairman Paul Afoko. So munya mo bekaya say Paul Afoko ene kwabne Japan no se den one more ena MPP for MPP for two or more free ideas so some years ago. Intino Gregory Afoko Paul Afoko ninia. Na the ACN say in 2015 Upper East MPP national chairman friend Adams Mahama nkrofo bi ekokuno na wamutu acid egu ne so nti car na what team no seat ni nia say acid no affect no ehye nti okọ hospital da na wowu ye instantly na since then no say answer no obewu no nebusuafo bi ene ne kasa Adams Mahama na yenya nte say nebusuafo ka say was say Gregory Afoko Paul Afoko ni nia no wono ene hwe acid ni gu ne so that time na Gregory Afoko na oye Rasta man but sisi anem say we chucha niti na waye bibia fine na etie for since then no na Gregory Afoko ye chi no etu mo say ye investigations ni susu say be work kan wo mo an wo mukun Adams Mahama ho because back then no na there was this rumor say NDC for MPP for national chairman no Paul Afoko no there was this rumor say Paul Afoko no na on supporting Anado ena Adams Mahama no supporting Anado nti no na nkrofo a wo MPP food soldiers and grassroots no de bia wo kan say there is this conflict nti omu susu say Paul Afoko na ebo ni nua ne pa say wonko nkokun Adams Mahama senya medin kankan no it was a rumor na yentumi verify say indeed that was the truth or not na fast forward since 2015 say Gregory Afoko yehu say ye de na kokota de bia na ye de no ko na ya man remand na say ye ma remand nso dia say still you have to be in police custody nti no ye beka say 4 years ni na March I think some 3 or 4 months ago and ye man bail na say okokota na court ka say senior adina ye no say Gregory Afoko ni lawyer kansem na attorney general so ni rep and also can say man actually say na say yemani bill na bill no yemani bill to the tune of 500,000 Ghana cedis with 2 sureties into your margin say omo be granting the bill na obia court rule say yemani bill no na fe the security agencies and state agencies no one more ayo margin say that be bill ne de yen fan ma actually say na ya court say ma me bill na fe one person be ma me bill until he was still in custody. Embra court granted say yemani bill no. He was still in custody. Not to say the state no ebe say masa court no yemfa wasem enya asem. Until bill no yemfa mano. Na asem we yankasa na ase Ghana for bebre ebu onwini eto so. Washa a very very serious human rights breach say yakọ court na court say grant you be bail you just have to give the person bail. And you can say still umani pakono ewo custody nti no ena the state margin say bill na yama no wo mo esanso de be court ama court a rescinded sa bill decision no nti omo try it twice one appeals court omo call appeals court efeli judge ni ka say masa yempene still mo man the bill omo sanso try for the second time one more they call another high court judge no so ka say dabi yempene still bill decision no mo man the bill you know he was still in custody for like 3-4 months and yama ruling in March 2019 see man the bill no he was still in custody for like 3-4 months. This happens nowhere, especially in a country who say democratic no dabi inyama bi say enye say esi na bill no the first judge a ma bill no your friend of Justice George Boedi wono no granting the bill and the state agencies no womo hwe nsem we so no womo ama ne bill ye police CID ne sansem ni na no womo and granting the bill even though judge and even though court na order see man the bill no womo ampene na the second judge once me also womo de call two courts that is an appeals court and another Accra High Court ninia no they failed the state failed state no the court says bill na yama granting no ye pe say mu yi free no so because granting no yesusu say more granting the bill no dey yen hu ne biom but still the state failed into the last one nansen ya womo esanso the call another Accra High Court and a judge be a friend of Justice Melewood can say okay sa bill no my counsel no that is say he can still be in your custody nti no na Ghana for womo human rights for esusu se dabi de aircourse wo Ghana no yentumi ankasa ase ya yekom wonsem bi se ho ache because our president they be aseni America no the president of this country is known as a human rights president nti no if or no and there wabeda ne president you don't expect things like this the infringement on people's human rights no you don't expect things like this to be happening in a country will no way human rights president no and a human rights activist no will no abeda ne president no. You don't expect things like this to be happening in a country he is a president in emsa asem na America no se mo beti ase ya because ye de asema court see em ma bill na police for angasa ka se dabi court akase em ma bill no still ye ma bill like it happens nowhere. It happens nowhere. Eye Ghana pe na me te say asem way AC na nkofu bebra sorry a kasa mate say MPP for kra na ebi mu wo ho a asem way enye omode senya nsem no kono enye omode because we no blatantly I say minim de ekoso inti no wo hwa Gregory Afoko ne lawyer no first osiu eye IGP and osanso siu CID for boss no say ye ba police nsem dia mo na mo hwe obi beka so we the president na sha ase yes ye betumi aba ne say the president is the father of the nation but about security issues and say police for edi obi kokotini nyama ne dia and ye di obi kokotini nyama ne dia criminal investigations dia ye police for na hwe nti no ye dia ye befa ne say wo IGP na CID boss no mo na mo ama order no it could be say and this actually looks like order from above. This looks like order from above. Now, me person me read the statement from a parliamentarian. One also same way ne yapa just say ne ya send same way kono say Ghana pan ya better na say Emma BBC akoso. Now, I just have a short statement. I'll say I think this is a clear case of abuse of the procedures provided for in law to deny a citizen of this country bail when the facts are so compelling that the state ought to have released Gregory Afoko on bail. There is no justification. That's just say, or there are two who said that be a same way there. The case of abuse of the procedures provided for in the law of the country. Say abusing the law of the country because the court ashe say ma will be bail. You have no right. You have no right. Say still will be keep peace and the patrono. You tried twice. O there, maybe the say okay. O there, o percent bail no ye cancel na. First, court are granted some money bail. Into the money bail no, and then be going to court. Into who court na court say oh, sisi amosanso chin into man. Then ye ni ayati ase. Wako Accra High Court. And a judge ama say judge ama ruling say masa Accra no money bail. You tried 2 times. It didn't work out. What's also called another Accra High Court biom another judge wo ama judge na ka say ye cancel eno kan nkrofo ka say dabi enye sa na ye ade say wako one court na say court no ama ruling na the next court you go to is a higher court nti ye wan say wako Accra High Court won na court no ama ruling na wo pese we resend this ruling na e say call an appeals court we call appeals court na eno so no still ruling na ye ma after so call the next level which is a Supreme Court. Into ko Supreme Court na no so rule no ye way a na afi wako next level ebia ECOWAS court nso wo ko na esi so ye na afi wako African court so ko next na afi wako wiase ni na court sa na processes nete ba wako Accra High Court yama ruling na wasanso akọ another same Accra High Court it was the same level for another ruling which is a different ruling nti eno so James Algaga wo ye MP Emma Buisa North oye MP Emma Buisa North o ka se nsem bi say there wono there as a on TV that I don't even know if whether James Algaga was a lawyer there, but me say no, I don't know these legal issues. But there were no James Algaga ne can say simply say there on TV that now we name the a lot of human rights society and human rights organizations no more din e won say be say to onono was say Gregory Afoko no he's now a political prisoner. Now nkofo so say Gregory Afoko no nipa no wo ye Adams Mahama no na dan for pan ene Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo na embra Adams Mahama wo ye no sata na Nanado nya president Nanado share bo se wo beda ne president a wo mo di sa bon no be make sure se wo be ti omo atum nti nkofo so say eno nti na wo mo frustrate Gregory Afoko no eno ne nsema nkrofo ka kire wadwen e wo comment box mo tie for medase.